What if I told you there are 6 simple foods that can help you drop those extra pounds fast without needing hours at the gym? Curious? Stay tuned. Because in this video, I'm going to reveal these powerful foods that can kickstart your weight loss journey even if you barely have time for exercise. And make sure to stick around because at the end, I've got a special bonus tip that will speed up your results even more. Hi everyone, welcome to our video on 6 foods you must eat for fast weight loss. If you're a busy woman juggling work, family, and everything in between, and feel like there's just no time to focus on losing weight, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing my personal journey, how I use 6 foods to shed weight quickly without spending hours at the gym. By the way, don't forget to stay until the end for that bonus tip I promised. It's going to be worth it. So, let me set the stage. We all know that losing weight can feel impossible when you're tied to a desk or running around managing everything else. But what if you could still lose weight by just changing what you eat? These 6 foods are not only easy to find, but they'll also help you feel full, energized, and keep your metabolism high, all without you needing to spend extra time cooking complicated meals. First up, let's talk about dry fruits, specifically almonds, walnuts, and peanuts. These little powerhouses are perfect for busy women like you. Why? Because they're portable, don't spoil easily, and give you an instant energy boost. A handful of almonds or walnuts between meals keeps your hunger in check, while peanuts give you that satisfying crunch without the extra calories. Just make sure they're unsalted and not roasted. You'll love how easy these are to fit into your day. Next on the list, we have yogurt or buttermilk. Now I know what you're thinking. I don't have time for elaborate meals. But here's the thing, yogurt is a fantastic snack to carry with you, and buttermilk can be your go-to refreshing drink during a hectic day. Both of these are rich in protein and probiotics, keeping your digestive system happy and making you feel full for longer. Plus, they're super low in calories. Want something even quicker and just as effective? Wait until you hear about number 4. Now let's move on to green salads. I'm not talking about plain old lettuce, but salads with protein-packed add-ons like boiled chickpeas, sprouts, and paneer. This combo will keep you full without making you feel sluggish. It's easy to prep, and you can carry it to work in a container. Throw in some cucumber, tomato, or radish for a refreshing touch. Remember, protein helps in weight loss by keeping you full for longer. Feeling like salads aren't enough? Stick with me. I've got more substantial options ahead. One of the easiest go-to snacks for weight loss is boiled eggs. They're quick, filling, and super versatile. You can have 2 boiled eggs as a snack between meals, or even pack them for lunch. Not only are they packed with protein, but they also boost your metabolism. Just remember, stick to boiled eggs rather than omelettes to keep things healthy. Want something that works even when you don't have time to cook? Coming up, I'll share a snack you don't even need to prep. Let's talk about seeds. Whether it's flax seeds, chia seeds, or pumpkin seeds, these tiny wonders are packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Just sprinkle them on your salad, mix them into your yogurt, or grab a spoonful on the go. Seeds keep you full and help curb unhealthy cravings. They might be small, but they're loaded with benefits. Wondering how to make your tea breaks healthier? Stick around. I've got the perfect solution coming up. If you're looking for an easy, quick, and 0-calorie way to boost weight loss, green tea is your answer. Drinking just 1 cup a day can help speed up your metabolism, which means burning more calories even while sitting at your desk. Keep some green tea bags handy, steep for 4 to 5 minutes, and you're all set. It's refreshing, calming, and super effective for weight loss. Green tea is great, but what if you need something more filling while on the go? I've got the perfect pick coming up. You've stuck with me so far, so here's that special bonus I promised. If you want to supercharge your weight loss journey, start drinking warm water every morning. It helps flush out toxins, speeds up your metabolism, and is a great way to start your day right. Just one glass of warm water before breakfast can make a huge difference. So, let's quickly recap. Today we covered 6 foods you should be eating for fast weight loss: dry fruits, yogurt, green salads, boiled eggs, seeds, green tea, and more. Remember, it's all about making small changes that fit your busy life. Don't forget the bonus tip: warm water every morning to boost your results. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more practical weight loss advice. Let me know in the comments which food you're going to try first. And remember, no matter how busy you are, you can always make healthy choices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.